These Rust videos are going viral right now. And I'm going to teach you how to create them without ever spending $1. Okay, guys, once you log into your ChatGPT account, make sure you click on Explore GPTs and then in the search bar, type in Rust Removal. Click on this one right here. Come down here, click on Start the Chat. On Start. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us 5 questions that we need to answer. What type of object you want, the environment, such as the workshop or bathroom, style, realistic cinematic, the lighting and spray, okay? And of course, it does say if you don't like the choices below, you can easily create your own, okay? I'm going to choose a faucet with a bathroom environment. Okay, for the style, I'm going to choose realistic, lighting, daylight, and the spray liquid color will be blue. And then go ahead and click the enter button. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us a total of 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. Okay, we're gonna copy our first image prompt here. We're going to click on copy. Okay, guys, so next thing you want to do is go to Google, type in Flow AI. You're going to click on this one right here at the top. I already have an account with Flow AI, but if you didn't, you can easily create one by linking it to a Google account. Once that's done, go ahead and click on New Project below, okay? Okay, once that's done, come down here and click on this right here for settings. I'm going to make sure that the ratio is 9:16. Okay, up at the top, my agent will ask for confirmation before generating media. Okay, I have that selected. Okay, then click. Make sure this says Nana Banana 2 because it is free. Then click Save. Then we're gonna right click and we're gonna paste our prompt from ChatGPT and hit the generate button. Okay. Okay, guys. So here are the 2 images that Flow AI has given us. You can click on each one and figure out which one you actually want to use. Okay. So we're back at ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna copy the video prompt in the right corner. Click. Okay, well, what we're gonna do is download this video to 2x. Okay, I'm gonna drag it down here. Okay, guys. So the next thing you want to do is click on settings. Make sure the video generation is not 1x for how many videos you want it to create. Click save. Okay. Then you're gonna right click and paste your video prompt from ChatGPT. Then click the enter button. Okay, guys, our video is ready. Go to the top and press play. So as you can see, the video it looks good. It looks realistic. It's very easily to create. Okay, guys. So once that's done, you can easily click on the 3 dots, click on the download, and download the 720. It's just that easy. Okay. Now that you know how to create these rust removal videos, you can easily create your own very quickly. For more tutorials like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.